Hello guys and welcome back to another episode on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your Instagram story not saving on your gallery issue. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your Instagram app. Now make sure that your save to gallery option is turned on. So for that, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see the three-barred menu. Tap on it. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Now under Settings and Privacy, you'll be able to see the option of archiving and downloading. Tap on it. Now make sure that Save Story to Gallery option is turned on. So if it's in blue, then it means that it is enabled. However, if it is not in blue, then toggle the switch to enable this feature. If this feature is enabled and you're still not able to save your story to your gallery, next thing you might want to do is go back and long press on the Instagram app, go to App Info. Now under App Info, tap on Force Stop. Confirm that you want to force stop by tapping on OK. Tap on Clear Data and tap on Clear Cache. Confirm that you want to clear cache by tapping on OK. If you do not see this option of clear data, it's also usually found under the option of storage. So go ahead and tap on storage, and under storage, you'll be able to see the same option. Simply tap on it, tap on clear cache, tap on OK to clear cache, and your cache will be cleared of your Instagram. Now go ahead and check if this issue still resides. If it still resides, then you might want to contact Instagram support. For that, open Instagram. Go to the bottom right corner. Now on the top right corner, the three-barred menu, tap on it. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and tap on Help. Under Help, tap Report a Problem. Now tap on Report a Problem button. Now go ahead and describe your issue as to how you're not being able to save your stories to your gallery even though you've turned the feature on. After you've explained that, if you have a screenshot, you can include that as well by simply tapping on the upload button. However, if you see that there is a screenshot that is already been uploaded, go ahead and cross on it because sometimes it is not a relevant screenshot. So tap on this cross icon on the image. After that, tap on Send and Instagram will get back to you within a certain amount of time and your issue should be resolved. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.